Today, I crochet a spring flower phone bag. The body is repeated crochet of a pattern. It's quite simple overall. It can hold a mobile phone. And there is extra space. Use 2.5 crochet hook with soft wool yarn. Start with a chain of stitches for the bottom, a total of 35 chain stitches. Insert the hook into the penultimate stitch, and hook 31 double crochet stitches. And 3 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. For the remaining half, first, hook 30 double crochet stitches. And the last stitch is double crochet stitch and increase. The first round is done. Connect with the first stitch. In the second round, start with 2 standing stitches. In the first stitch, hook a double crochet stitch and increase 1. Then hook 30 double crochet stitches. In the corner, hook 3 double crochet stitches and increase stitches. Finish 3 double crochet stitches and increase stitches. In the last 2 stitches, hook double crochet stitches and increase stitches. Finish and pull out the thread. Change to green thread to crochet. Bring the thread through the first stitch. Make 3 chain stitches. Leave 2 stitches empty. Don't hook the 4th stitch. Hook a double crochet stitch. 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet stitches. Continue to stand up 3 stitches. Leave 2 stitches empty and pull through. A set of patterns is completed. Repeat the process. Change thread for the remaining 11 stitches. And make another round. And 2 double crochets. Hook the thread and make 2 chain stitches. A double crochet stitch counts as a cluster stitch. Then make a slip stitch in this hole and hook 2 double crochet stitches in the shape of a date. After hooking, stand a chain stitch. Continue to crochet 2 double crochet stitches in the shape of dates. Then make a slip stitch. A set of patterns is completed. The pattern is cluster stitch, chain stitch. Cluster stitch, chain stitch, cluster stitch, chain stitch. 11 patterns. At the chain stitch of the previous round, bring the thread over and make 3 chain stitches. Count as 1 double crochet stitch, then crochet a slip stitch. And hook a double crochet stitch at the next chain stitch. Chain stitch. The pattern of this round is double crochet stitches. Crochet a loop of chain stitches. After hooking, at the 3rd chain stitch. To end the thread, change to white thread. Insert the stitch into the stitch where you pulled. And hook 3 chain stitches. At the chain stitch of the previous round. And hook a round of double crochet stitches in the double crochet stitch. Finish a set of patterns. Repeat the process until you reach the desired length. I crocheted a total of 5 sets of patterns. It can hold a mobile phone. There is also space for bag straps. You can match it yourself.